Hello world, here is BITI, your Bitcoin Trading Informant. Here's your XLM Trading Informant. Here's a quick update, a 5-minute turbo update for XLM. Here's the 1 hour chart and you can see here some stuff. On the downside, you can see the MACD. The blue line is under the brown line and we are building more and more big red candles. That's a bad picture. On the upper side, we have here this chart picture, and on the chart picture you can see one thing, guys. We are now on the 1 hour chart on the EMA 200 and we saw a perfect spike down on this EMA 200. Also here we saw a perfect spike down on the EMA 200, but guys, we never saw a confirmed closing candle here on this nice bull run for XLM. So for the moment we are over this EMA 200, and that's the important thing in my opinion. Now we need to watch this. As long as we are staying over this EMA 200, everything is fine. The next picture is we are building higher lows. You can see it. This was a low, this was a higher low, and for the moment this is also a higher low. The other stuff is we are building lower highs, and that's a next thing we need to watch. So in my opinion, I can show you something, guys. We are now here on the 1 hour chart for XLM and we have a line from the upper side to the downside. This is our resistance. Also we have a line from the downside to the upside to this point, and this is our support. As long as we are over the support, everything is fine. Maybe the support is a line like this. And the bad news are, guys, maybe this was a breakdown of the triangle. We have to watch this. This was a point, this also was a point, and now we saw maybe a breakdown of this triangle, and that's a bad picture. Guys, if we are breaking down of this triangle on the 1 hour chart, we have a line here, a technical target, and a line from the upper side to the downside of this triangle, and this is now the breakout. If this is the breakout, and it looks like a confirmed breakout, guys, we have a really bad target to the downside. This is this point we have to watch. This is 47 cents. For the moment we have 65 cents, and this is a really bad target. So if you would like to short this one, it's really not the baddest idea. Maybe watch at this EMA 200. This EMA 200 is the only support now for XLM here on the 1 hour chart, and it needs to hold this, or we may see a downgoing XLM here for this technical breakout target of this triangle. Guys, let's zoom out a little bit. Let's go on a higher time frame. Here's the 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour chart, you can see some interesting thing. We are fighting in the ribbon band, and as long as we are in the ribbon band, everything is nice. You can see it on this bull run. We saw here a completely spiking down candle and a nice push to the upside. Here also a push down, a spike down on the ribbon band and a push to the upside. Now again, a spike down and maybe a push to the upside. That's the important thing now. If we will see a push to the upside, look at this. This line here is now our big resistance, 70 cents. Depends always, guys, where we will hit this line, but 70 cents or 72 cents, this is the next big thing. If we see now a move on or a big leg to the upside, we have to watch this resistance. So on the 4 hour chart, we have another interesting stuff. We have here also a EMA 200 on the 4 hour chart, and here is the EMA 200 about 55 cents. This is a nice support. So if we will break down to this triangle, or if we will break down off this triangle now to the downside, 55 cents is a big support, and this should hold, or I hope this will hold, guys. So let's watch the indicators. What's going on with the MACD on the 4 hour chart? Let's watch this very quick. And also you can see here bad. We have a bad blue line, a bad crossing here. The blue line crossed the brown line, and you can see we are building big bad red candles. That's not the best picture for the moment here for XLM. Let's check one thing. What is going on with XLM versus Bitcoin? Very quick, we will check this now together. Stellar versus Bitcoin. And you can see we are still in a nice uptrend. So against Bitcoin, we are on the 4 hour chart really in a nice uptrend. We have a nice uptrend parallel channel, and this is this one. And one thing you can see, the bad thing is we are losing this blue line. The blue line is always working as a support. Now it is a resistance. We have a confirmed closing candle under this blue line, and that's not good. XLM versus Bitcoin. Back again, XLM versus USDT, and I have to say, guys, it's not the best picture for the moment for XLM. We need some things to watch. It's very important, guys. This is the 5-minute turbo update. I have not more time for 5 minutes. All turbo information you need to know, I think you have all turbo information you need to know, guys. Thank you very much for watching. One thing, this is my live stream Bitcoin Trading Informant. I'm streaming live 24 hours 7 days a week. Please visit me here, watch this channel if you're trading Ethereum or Bitcoin, or if you'd like to write with me or to chat with me or with my other guys here, please write here into the chat. Guys, one thing, my big boss is Cromlanch. Big greetings out there to Cromlanch. Thank you very much for Fernand for resub X4. He's resubbing me 4 times. Thank you very much. And guys, thank you very much for Ryan in real life, Subcritically, and Cromlanch. These are my supporter here, my donation here. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Have a nice time. Greetings, your BT. And one thing, last but not least, it doesn't matter, guys, if you go long or if you go short. I wish you make millions out there with your trade. Have a nice time. Greetings, yours BT, your Bitcoin Trading Informant. Bye bye.
System activated.